guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is an interesting day. We have yet again more bullish Ripple and XRP news. It is an absolute gem. That is a sleeping giant. Of course, we've got Shiba Inu updates as well. Very, very interesting. Can these prices be hit with Shiba Inu? We're going to get into that as well. A lot of negative FUD coming around. The Bitcoin halving as well. FTX, thank you, Sam Bankman-Fried, for selling off a lot of Solana to pay off their creditors. Genesis is selling also 36 million GBTC shares. And of course, we've seen Grayscale with another incredible amount of money, $300 million of outflows. It's just insane. Anyway, let me go over my bots as well. Just the general news, coins that I'm bullish on as always. Let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting pretty crazy and wild and insane in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find ladies and gentlemen do that. So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Give it a kiss, give it a hug, whatever. I'm not going to get too crazy with this, but anyway, you know what to do. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So be careful. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab this evening. Yes, Grayscale yet again transferred 3,133 Bitcoin worth $226 million to Coinbase. I mean, $200 million. Literally, that just says to me money's not even freaking real. Honest, like, it's just crazy how much money they're getting rid of. Billions and billions of dollars. Wow. Unbelievable. Anyway, moving on. Yes, if you haven't joined the Wall Street Bull University, go join up. I am going to be posting up there later on tonight after this video, because I've got a few updates to put up there as well. My DCA list, literally every single week. I've got Bitcoin, XRP, Solana, Ethereum, and LCX. Very, very bullish. And yes, 80% of you out of 435 votes has said XRP, which is nice as well. There is literally only 1.74 million Bitcoin left on exchanges. Let that one sink in as well. Supply shock will hit, no doubt about that. 10 hours ago, yes, it's quite late now, nearly 7 p.m. here in Melbourne. Top altcoins are NEO, CKB, XYO was up 21%. Reef, I might do a mention of that one as well. That's up 13%, and gas, which you basically get paid for holding NEO on whatever exchange. It's like passive income. So very, very nice. NEO's up 40% in 24 hours. Crazy. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. $2.65 trillion today. We're starting to come back in the green, up 0.55% today, which is nice. $104 billion in volume. That's up 12.32%. A lot of buying going on in the markets. We've got 52% Bitcoin dominance and 79 on the Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin's currently holding a little bit shaky today, but it's at 70K at the moment, or $70,256 to be specific. Ethereum's at $3,620, up 1.47%. We have Solana at $175 as well. Thank you, Sam Bankman-Fried, for selling off a hell of a lot of Solana. You annoying son of a you-know-what. Anyway, XRP's at 60 cents today. Doge we have at 19 cents. DOT $8.86. Links at $17. ICP $17. LTC $99. Now, Ethereum Classic, does anyone actually hold that? Let me know in the comments. Immutable X, $2.76. WIF is back down below that, $3.92. Again, I've got my bot set up trading that one. Scrolling down, Hedera's at 10 cents. Optimism, $3.24. Now, I did confuse this with Casper. Casper is the actual coin, or I should say project, that is working with IBM and Alphabet. I'm bullish on Optimism as well. Casper's 13 cents. The Graph, 34 cents. Theta at $2.87. Scrolling down, Gala is at 6 cents. Algorand at 23 cents. That is a gem. Scrolling down, let's have a look here. Flare's at 4 cents as well. I am still doing my research on Flare and the staking of that. People have been making some pretty incredible gains. eCash, might look at throwing a few gorillas, so to speak, into eCash. We'll see how we go. Quant is at $118. WorldCoin, $7 today. And IOTA sitting at 31 cents. Now, again, I'm bullish on Reef. Let's have a quick look at Reef, because I'm getting so many requests about this. Don't ask me what. There you go. It's my recent searches, okay? It is in the pennies. In the pennies. We're still up 21% all time. No, I'm not paid to do this. The fully diluted market cap right here is $76 million. Circulating at the moment, again, 22.82 billion Reef, right? Now, again, the founder of Reef, how can I say this? He, called out Sam Bankman-Fried a long time ago, right? Anyway, I can't remember his name. I think it's Denko Machensky. Let's just have a look here. I can't really find... yeah, it is. Denko Machensky. There we go. I found it. His motivation was to build the most advanced blockchain for retail investors who want to get involved with the DeFi or decentralized finance, NFTs, and gaming. Machensky also wanted to help the cryptocurrency newcomers overcome the complexities associated with interacting with a blockchain and understanding new concepts such as DeFi NFTs. Additionally, the ability to give access to many bridges to other blockchains so the funds and liquidity can easily be ported to Reef chain. Very, very nice to see that. So there you go. So Denko Machensky called out Sam Bankman-Fried, and that's not the only reason why I'm bullish on it. But guys, he knew about some shady stuff going on a long time ago. I don't think a lot of people listen to him. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, before I do, as I always do, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my information on here that's making me money. All my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots, you name it. All goes up in here with, all the setup guides to 3 commas. You can literally copy everything that I'm doing. My bots are all running at the moment. They're all in profit, which is nice to see that. But we'll see how we go, because again, there's been quite a dip in the market thanks to, again, Sam Bankman-Fried, FTX, and Grayscale, and Genesis. Annoying. Anyway, I also put up my dividend investing in the Patreon as well, which is another form of passive income, which again, I'm really bullish on. I've been bullish on that for years. All right, 3 commas. Now again, I have the links below in the video description for 3 commas. Go join up to 3 commas, guys. It's incredible software. Again, all my single pair bots, I've currently got around about 15 going. I've got 2 multi-bots. Now, I did say yesterday that I would switch on my short bots. I have done that. They are trading at the moment right here. I'm trading both long and short with the multi-bots. That's all the futures on Bybit. Bybit's link is also below as well. And the single pairs trading with 15x leverage on a long position. I do not recommend trading with leverage because you can get liquidated when there's massive market volatility, thanks to Grayscale, because they've pretty much been the cause of every liquidation that's happened. So don't invest anything more than you can afford to lose. That's as simple as that, all right? But anyway, it's really bullish software. I absolutely love it, and have not stopped using it for, gosh, coming up to 3 years this year. So awesome stuff right there. Links are below. I'm using the Pro plan, monthly subscription. You can get either the whole year or monthly. It's up to you. My followers will get a discount if they use that link. So go check it out. It's linked below. Having a look at Bybit right now. Again, this is what 3 commas allows you to do. Currently got 129 open orders in the books and 64 positions. And as you can see right here, we're all in the profit at the moment, which is really nice. Really nice to see that, all right? So again, I'm just letting these do their thing and trading the markets 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, that's Bybit with 3 commas. Now, I'm getting questions about OKX. They are still a partner of the channel, but I don't really use them for trading because I can't trade with leverage. However, you can still use 3 commas bots on OKX to trade the spot market. That is completely up to you if you wish to do that. Now, the spot market is good if you want to do like basically a hedge and just let them set and forget kind of thing because they're spot trading. You're not going to get liquidated because you're not trading with leverage, all right? The only way you will get affected is if the price drops. I think I've set my bot up to a 60% drop. That's how the spot market works. So that's all in the Patreon. Go join up the Wall Street Bull University. Stay bullish with that one. Now, crypto bubbles, have a quick look on the day. NEO is pumping, still up 28%. 66 on the year at $21. We have Toncoin, 23% today. 207% on the year, that's $6.83. Now we've got Athena again, 14.9%, which is crazy to see that. And there are still buying opportunities. We're not even in a full-blown bull market. Things are just getting started. Now, again, another Ripple XRP forecast to hit $1.20, and here's when, which is interesting. And XRP is on the verge of a significant price surge, according to the renowned analyst Crypto, which again puts out some pretty bullish stuff. In a recent tweet, the analyst shared insights into XRP's potential trajectory, forecasting a target of $1.20 and emphasizing the importance of the 21-week exponential moving average, or EMA, as a pivotal mean of value for XRP/BTC pair, which is fascinating. And what do you think about that? I mean, going back to its all-time high of $3, I think that's easily possible. But just we need to be patient. There's going to be a lot of movement. Markets like breathe in and out. It's just what happens, right? But the Bitcoin halving is coming up, and we could see again, like I said the other day in my video, they could see a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. This may happen. If it's Grayscale doing this, who knows what they're going to do, man? They're going to be selling off a lot of Bitcoin, which is going to be absolutely annoying, right? Shiba Inu now bumps into a hefty selling wall amid the latest attempt to resurface above the 0.00003. Right, I'm holding on to my Shiba Inu. I haven't sold it really, but Shiba Inu whipped up nearly 3% in daily gains amid Ethereum's surge in the past $3,600. Whales shuffle $19.26 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens during the SHIB's daily lows. Shiba Inu sees $74 million in pending sales, outsourcing bids by $20 million. So just be careful with this, with meme coins. I mean, this is what happens when you get whales pumping up the price, which is what happens anyway. It's manipulation when you think about it. They'll pump the hell out of the price, and then they'll sell on the market. This is what happens. FOMO, right? So don't go doing that. They're quite good at making, 5 or 6% on $20 million. That's a lot of money when you think about that. Do the math, which is just nuts. Anyway, we've got some bears as well. This always happens. We've got Arthur Hayes, Peter Brandt, Ben Cohen saying Bitcoin will drop after the halving. And analysts predict that Bitcoin price post-halving, citing market consensus and economic conditions. Arthur Hayes sees late April as risky. Expect post-May 1st market boost following the Fed meeting, which is going to be fascinating. And Ben Cohen and Peter Brandt note that past patterns hinting at a potential post-halving market correction. It may happen, right? You need to be prepared for that. But long-term, meaning, this bull market where we have not even seen the full-blown effect of these ETFs. And thank you, Grayscale, for literally crashing the entire market yet again today. The drop has been quite dramatic. So anyway, FTX selling off a lot of Solana today to pay off those creditors, and they basically sold enough to raise $1.9 billion amid the creditor repayment efforts. So repaying those creditors, do you think retail investors get their money back? No, I don't think so. Thanks, Sam Bankman-Fried, you absolute F-wit. All right? Very, very angry with you, Sammy boy. So annoying. You should be getting more than 20 years in prison if you ask me. Genesis right now selling 36 million shares of GBTC, or that's Grayscale, to buy Bitcoin, aiming to settle debts amid the bankruptcy, which is interesting. And of course, we've seen another $300 million of outflows from Grayscale's Bitcoin trust, which is just nuts. And when considering the collective impact, the total net outflow across spot Bitcoin ETFs amounted to nearly $224 million. And it is worth noting that over the past week, nearly $1 billion flowed into the US-based Bitcoin ETFs, BlackRock's, capturing the majority of the funds as well. So all that money is basically, people are piling into Bitcoin ETFs. Meanwhile, you've got, the likes again of FTX and Grayscale selling off a hell of a lot of Bitcoin shares and basically crashing them. Grayscale is selling it off to Coinbase and they're offloading it. So also keeping in mind that Bitcoin is running out on exchanges, right? Anyway, let's go to cryptometer.io, see where the money's flowing today. We've got the buy flow, money going into Ethereum, Solana. That's nice. It's a bit of a dip today. Gala, Chainlink, BCH. We've got Litecoin, Near Protocol. We've got WIF, Toncoin, XRP, which is nice to see that as well. Quick look at X, then we'll end up on here, ladies and gents. Thank you to those 6,380 people. You guys absolutely rock. If you haven't followed my proper X account, the link is in the description. Don't go following fake accounts. I know there's like over 1,000 on TikTok and they will not verify me. It's just madness. Anyway, yes, Johnny Dean, absolute legend. Bitcoin closed above the upper Bollinger Band for 2 months straight. And historically, this rare event has led to a doubling within 3 months. Very, very nice. Coinbase says Bitcoin dips are likely to be more aggressively bought compared to previous cycles, which is very, very nice to see that as well. Crypto Rover, thank you for these tweets, mate. But the XRP radio silence will end soon. I 100% agree with that as well. It is a sleeping giant. Yes, we've got, again, $303 million of outflows today, which, again, this is what's happens. They're just crashing the market all the time. Recently, stablecoins issued on the Solana network surpassed $3 billion US. And congrats to Circle passing the $2 billion issuance mark for USDC on Solana. A lot of happening on Solana as well. SEC delaying decision to allow options on the spot Bitcoin ETFs. The office cleaner always comes when I'm filming a video. That's okay. Anyway, moving on. Bitcoin is still playing out similarly to 2020 all-time highs. Break a tiny consolidation left to go and then basically up from here. Let's hear what happens with that, fingers crossed. And yes, there is only 1.74 million Bitcoin left on exchanges. And once Hong Kong, I should say, gets approved with their Bitcoin ETFs, there's going to be big money coming into this space. Huge money. And there's only 10 days away from this. Everyone's trying to rush to get into that. That's called FOMO, right? Anyway, ladies and gents, I'm out of here. Make sure you have a good night. Banking coins, absolutely bullish. Yes, XRP, in my opinion, is an absolute sleeping giant. It really is, in my opinion, after researching it for so many years and meeting some incredible people, it changes your perspective on everything. Anyway, guys, join the Wall Street Bull University. Make sure you have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, bulls. Bye.